You remembered my party?
Yeah.
Which you totally didn't RSVP to? So get lost, party crashers!
And I say, good day, sir.
Leslie, wizard buddy. Our replies must have got lost or something more believable. But we totally remembered your birthday.
Really? Huh. Then where are my presents, Des? Where are they?
Well,
Hold on, I got an idea. Ta-da! One feather wallet. Happy birthday.
The ectoplasm is mine, so that gift is from both of us. All three of us. Des put the money in it. Cough up some scratch.
yeah, right. Here. Gold coins for a gold guy.
Whatever. I never get any presents I want ever anyway. Why should today be any different? Unless I could have a birthday wish?
Oh, I'm not sure. I guess so.
Whoa there, Honcho. Are you crazy? Look at his eyes. Beady, untrustworthy.
Puffin's right. He has weasels in his soul. I can see them.